Want to transform your SEO guesswork into data-driven wins? In this video, we'll break down how to build stunning, insightful SEO reports using Looker Studio in just a few minutes. First, you'll need a Google account to access Looker Studio. Head over to Looker Studio and click on the Create button in the top left corner, and then select Report. Now, it's time to connect your data. Click on Google Analytics and connect your website's analytics account. Then repeat the same steps to connect Google Search Console. This will give you a holistic view of your site's performance. Let's visualize your organic traffic. Click at a chart and select a time series chart. Drag and drop the chart onto your report canvas. Under the Dimensions section, choose Date. Then, under the Metrics section, choose Sessions. This will show you how your organic traffic has changed over time. Now, let's track your keyword rankings. Click at a chart again, but this time, select Table in the Dimensions section, choose Query in the Metrics section, choose Average Position. Adjust the date range in the top right corner to see ranking changes over time. Understanding device breakdown is key. Add another chart, this time a pie chart. Set the dimension to device category and the metric to sessions. This reveals which devices are driving the most organic traffic. To see where your traffic is coming from geographically, add a geo chart. Set the dimension to country and the metric to sessions. This is super helpful for understanding your audience demographics. Finally, share your report. Click the Share button in the top right corner to share your report with your team or clients. You can grant specific access or generate a public link. And there you have it, a powerful SEO report in Looker Studio, ready to give you actionable insights. Now you can monitor your SEO progress and make informed decisions. Good luck.